Hey everyone! Today I am going to build a counter in the backyard. Now permaculture is all about efficient design, and part of efficient design is doing things close to where you really need to do them. Now for me, I need to collect extra water from washing my vegetables, and I also will be harvesting vegetables very close to where I'm putting in this new countertop. Also, this is going to be great for me when I'm cooking dinner at the grill, which is right over here, so I will be able to prepare my food out here and just put it right on the grill. So that's another efficiency of having a nice countertop nearby. Now the other cool thing is that I got this countertop from a friend because he's a builder and he often gets spare stuff. And so he passed it along to me. And in this country, you have all kinds of opportunities for picking up stuff that can be repurposed. So here we go. Thanks again to Rob for the countertop. I know you probably could have done something better with it, but I hope I didn't disappoint you. Please subscribe to my channel. You can learn a lot about gardening here and see some of my other projects that I'm doing at home this summer. I really appreciate all of your comments and support. Have yourself an awesome day.